Yeah, it seems to be working now. Okay, I'll just recap what I said. So yeah, this right here is probably the biggest resistance that we have, at least that we're coming up on. So it makes sense that we fell down from that and we denied off of 52k. We got the scenario that I was talking about in the Telegram, where we overshoot and we went to 52.8, which is almost a 2%, like 1.5% move to the upside since 52k. So yeah, bears who shorted 52k would have got wrecked by now. So basically, if you're a bull and if you want higher prices, I'm looking at this whole zone as a huge inefficiency, which has been inefficient basically for the whole time the price has been there. Inefficiency right here, inefficiency right here. I wouldn't even count this because this is just like 3-4 hourly candles. So inefficiency here, like every single move in this whole zone has been extremely inefficient, meaning the price would move from the time that we reclaim this level, like let's say tomorrow maybe we reclaim 52k and we claim it as support. I expect 53 to 54k to be tagged in like a few hours, maybe 2-4 hourly candles, not much more than that. So if you're a bull, I would long a reclaim of 52k, but if you're a bear, these levels, like this whole area basically, like from here to here, is a relatively good resistance zone. So also something to look at is the fact that this right here, 0.75, is around 55k, so 55.5, 55.6, and that is the macro fib from the whole move, from the upside to the downside, like to here. The 0.75 fib is at 55.6, so that is something I'm aiming at, and that is something I'm looking for as a bull. So basically, one second. I'm back. So yeah, if you're a bear, that is something to look for as a resistance. But if you're a bull, aim for 55.6, because that is the whole macro level, and macro levels usually get tagged in violent moves. So if we start ripping up from 52k, expect 55k in a matter of few days. But I personally think that we have topped out at least for a few days. That is obviously gonna get tested. Like if we start moving down really quickly, what the fuck is going on with the chart? But yeah, if we start moving up really quickly, that means Infinite TWAP is back. They just want to push it up to 55k, maybe even all-time highs. I don't know. If we start pushing from here, I would look for all-time highs. You're currently short on BTC Orient Soul as a hedge for my spot. Yeah, it makes sense honestly. But I was talking about Solana. Solana looks stronger than other coins, so I would be careful shorting it. Maybe put a tight stop around here, because if it manages to, like, let's go to a lower time frame. So yeah, this whole area, if you're in profit right now, I'd probably put a stop above 115, like tight above here, because if it manages to reclaim this, it has obviously flipped support into a resistance on a lower time frame. Like this is the 15-minute chart. I don't know if it's a scalp or a swing position, but I wouldn't be betting too much on Solana falling down, because Bitcoin has been going down, but Bitcoin dominance as well has been going down. So it doesn't make much sense for alts to start falling down. So yeah, maybe I would wait for some confirmation, at least for shorting. What is a coin I saw that was relatively weak? Yeah, INJ is weak for some reason, and I might short it if it doesn't reclaim this level. But I have a ton of INJ spot bags, so I guess that would be a hedge as well. BTC, I'll talk about BTC short ideas right now because I want to short BTC and I think it will go lower. Yeah, a swing short in low leverage makes sense, honestly. At least aiming for like 48k or something. Yeah, around this level. This zone is where I'm looking for, at least towards the short side. But let me just check Ordi. I want to see how that is doing. On the 4 hour. Something like this, maybe. Like this level. If we lose that level. And additional confirmation would be losing something like this. Actually, yeah, this whole zone seems like a solid support zone. So I'd personally keep that as scalp and short up until here. Because I would personally long this, maybe build a swing long even, with a tight stop like below here. This would be a stop, and if it manages to go like this, fakes out this level, maybe even goes lower, do something like this, struggle a bit here, and go up above. This right here is the area where I would go. Like maybe this retest is where I would go into a long and put a stop like right below here, this line. Because it doesn't look that bad actually. Maybe this whole thing is a retest of a previous support zone on the higher time frame. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad actually. I'll probably long this if it starts falling. So this would be like a TP1. This right here would be TP2. Just put this a bit thicker, give them girth. Maybe this would be TP3 if you're playing a scalp. Yo, what's up? Yeah, this would probably be my setup, to be honest. And maybe leave a moon bag because you could turn it into a swing short, I don't know. It's up to you, but yeah. Oh, what's up, brother? But yeah, this is actually a really good setup. Let's see the RR. So right here probably, no, yeah, long position. If this move happens, you put a stop like right below here, aim for this, and on the whole move you get a 3.8 risk to reward ratio, so not half bad actually. And just play it as a scalp, maybe like 20x leverage, which would cover the whole area here, not to get liquidated. But yeah, what did I want to talk about? Yeah, if you want to short Bitcoin, I mean, now's the time to short it, because you could easily put a stop above here, above this whole level, and try to play it like that. Let me just see if we got an interesting zone right below here, but I don't think we do. And maybe something like this: 50k first TP, 50k second TP, and like 48k would be third TP. You have good risk to reward, because of course if you want to do a swing trade, if you want to do a scalp, I would just aim for like 50k, because this whole thing has been too fast. The move downwards would be even faster, so yeah, why not? On the higher time frame, I'm a bull for BTC. I think the 55.6 level gets tagged in the next month probably, and within the next week, or even towards the end of this week, like this weekend, a drop could happen for Bitcoin. But on the beginning of the stream, I said I would expect something like this. Like just start ranging. What am I doing? Just start ranging here and let alts do their thing. Because most of the alts have been lacking a bit. Like some of them are strong. ETH, of course. The money from BTC is rotating into ETH. And you can see the ETH BTC chart proving that. So maybe ETH BTC gets to here. It's a 2% move, it's not too much. But maybe ETH BTC gets there, Solana will follow. Like all the ETH beta coins will follow, like Solana, OP, TIA might run as well. Like I said before, I would personally long TIA if it manages to reclaim this 18.3 level, which is somewhat significant. It makes for a 0.5 of the whole range. If it manages to reclaim this level, something like this, play it up to here. Like, I don't like the fact that TIA has been so strong, and it's only been able to make a 3%, 4% move since the last month's high. I think we go higher, and I'd personally probably keep the long on for the whole time that we're going up. Something like this. Place your stop. Wherever this goes, wherever this 4 hour, actually let's go to the 4 hour chart. Wherever this 4 hour candle closes, that would also be the daily candle. And if it closes like this, I'd put a tight stop right below it, because you want to keep your risk intact. You don't want to expose yourself to the market makers too much. So aim for probably here, TP1, TP2, and after that leave a moon bag for like $25, because it makes sense. TIA has been extremely strong, and this is probably the biggest pullback that we've had since yeah, the end of January. So look for longs on this one. But generally, I don't short TIA. It's a strong coin. Like, I don't see a reason to short it. I like shorting Solana. Solana has been great for shorting, as well as for longing. So now that it looks somewhat strong, like it's been going higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Maybe we make a higher low here. Maybe this candle right here is the higher low. So I will just wait for a confirmation. Like I said it to one of you guys before. Obviously you can see that the support right here and right here has been flipped into resistance. Like, this whole thing has been a previous resistance, flipped into support, now flipped into resistance again. I wouldn't long Solana if we don't reclaim this level. Like, if we manage to reclaim this level, I'm longing Solana. TP1 here, obviously, I just want to secure some profits, always do that. But above that, I would aim for like 121st. Maybe we get to 125, I don't know. And yeah, I'll keep it short. I don't want to build swing positions right here, because the market has already been so overextended. You just don't want to risk round tripping your gains. So most of my current plays are short term, and what is going on with the candles right here, I don't know. But yeah, short term, I'm a bear for BTC. The thesis that I had in the Telegram played out perfectly. We didn't go right to 52k and straight below from there. We managed to deviate the whole level, like we did this little deviation. I missed out on the short because I wasn't home the whole day, but I would have shorted this. I would have shorted. I have a limit position set here at 52k, 52.19. So I'll see how the reaction from there goes. Like, if it manages to reclaim, I'll obviously cut my short. I don't want to be betting against the market makers and the whole FDU, USD, BTC, Binance thing. Like, they've been pushing the price abnormally. Like, this is not normal movement, especially for Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin is a slow mover, and they've just been pumping and pumping money into the market, which is great if you're positioned. But if you want to short, it's not the best case scenario. So I wouldn't play around too much here. Maybe they do something like this. Maybe they make it a head and shoulders pattern. And if you look probably on the 3 hour, yeah, you could call this, my bad. You could call this a shoulder, this a head, and this a shoulder, and just maybe we move down to 50k. Like, I don't know. I'll just look to play it level by level. Like, might even cut it here, because obvious resistance flipped into support. Not even flipped into support. They just ran through 50k. So that is something to look for if you want to short BTC. I wouldn't be shorting any alts, at least today. I'm currently long. Let me just remind myself. I longed, yeah, this one, JUP. Obviously at the bottom of the range. I didn't count this whole move. I just saw the range from here to here. Did a fib, and I longed the bottom. I have my stops somewhere around here. And I'll just look to take profit every time we tag one of these levels, like the 0.25, the 0.75, the 0.618, all of those levels. As we tag them, I'm just going to TP. I don't want to be holding positions for too long in this market, because the market makers are cruel and they don't want to let you make money. So yeah, yeah, I don't know why I always keep bringing up Luna. Like, I'm not invested in this. I don't trade it anymore, so might as well remove it from this list. But is there any coin you guys want me to check out right here? Oh yeah, I just remembered. I am in a short position from 52.019. So yeah, I'm short from this line. I forgot about it because I placed it impulsively. So is there any coin you guys would like to see? That is something I'm wondering. Let me just take a sip of my water. There, I guess there are no coins that you guys want to see covered. So yeah, something I wanted to chart out, like, from a clean chart, is BTC dominance. So going to the weekly chart, let's just do TA, basic TA. So these are the levels that might get tagged if we start crashing on Bitcoin. Like, if we start going below, maybe if we start going below 40Ks, XRP, I'll check it out as soon as I do this. But yeah, these levels are something to, at least 58K, these are relatively possible, but the whole 70%, I don't think that's possible, at least not if we start, unless we start dropping. So these are the bottoming levels. So we are basically now trading in a big range. Like, maybe say this is the top of the range, say this is the bottom of the range, and this right here would be the mid-range. So do something like this. This right here would be the mid-range. I mean, we can do a quick little fib, eye it out. Yeah, and it's perfect. From the top to the bottom, 0.5 is exactly at this line. And what makes it even more perfect is the fact that we denied off of it once. So that is something to keep an eye on. Like, it usually doesn't work like that. On a random coin, I would say if we reclaim this level, we're going higher. But since it's the BTC dominance chart, this is still a resistance, at least short term. So denying from that and going to the lower time frames, you could see that we are basically going slowly down, which is nice to see. At least have a cycle between BTC pumping and alts pumping, and that's why I want to see alts pump now. Like, I want to see altcoins pump now. BTC is falling down, maybe it will range in this whole area. So if it manages to range, I think altcoins will rally like crazy. Like, ETH could go like probably to 3K plus. So why not do that? Oh yeah, just doing the lower time frame things. These, maybe this zone right here, is something to look for a bounce on BTC dominance. And this right here is obviously a resistance zone, so you would look for a turn here. We managed to maybe almost catch it, Yeah, we almost cashed it, caught it actually. But at least for now, I think we go to like 52% or something like that. Makes the most sense. So altcoins should be rallying, at least soon, unless Bitcoin drops like crazy. But yeah, going to the XRP chart. I can't remember when I charted this one out, but the data still seems to be relevant. So yeah, let's actually do a clean chart. Why not? Yeah, why did... Are there any news? 7.5% up on a random day. Yeah, let's look at total 3. Just take a quick look. I mean, I don't know, to be honest. I think we go up until this level. Like, altcoins moving heavy right now would mean that we could possibly tag this. Like, a 10% move isn't that much, to be honest. Like, it's 100 billion, which is a lot of money. But I think with the thesis that I have, that altcoins will start to rally now, I think we should maybe get a top around there. Because it doesn't make sense to top around here. Like, from here to right here is pure inefficiency. Like, no price action right here. Maybe if we go to the daily, maybe we can see something else. Nah, could potentially actually top out here with this whole candle, but I don't think that happens, unless of course Bitcoin starts crashing down. Like, everything that I'm saying right now would be easily invalidated if Bitcoin starts crashing, and that is fine with me because I have a short on Bitcoin. So I don't know. The only thing that I'm not liking right now is Solana shitcoins going down, and I'm a bit overexposed in them, so especially the ghost ones. So yeah, let's check XRP. Are there any news? Why did it pump so much today? Is there anything news related to make it pump like this? Yeah, approaching this whole resistance zone from here to here maybe. I would wait to see how the price reacts from here, because if it denies from this whole zone, I think that would be lower time frame bearish, and if we manage to reclaim this, it might even become higher time frame bullish. Like, going from here to here is a 30% move up, which is great. And second, make this a line, and I want to make it 2 pixels wide. This right here would be a TP1. Maybe if you want to play it safe, you could TP around here, like maybe these wicks combined with this price action right here. This would be TP1, this would be TP2, and TP3 would be somewhere around here. So of course that is if we manage to reclaim this level. If we don't manage to reclaim it, I'm shorting XRP, so I'll keep an eye on it, to be honest, aiming for these as your targets. So you have a better risk to reward ratio on a long if you aim for this, and maybe put your stops like below here. You could put them up as well. Depends on how the price action moves. Like, this whole thing depends on how the price reacts here. But let's say you put a long right here and a stop right here, you get like an 7.5 to 8% to 8 risk to reward ratio, which is amazing. And the short position, like, we would have to deny from here. Let's say you enter on this level. If you manage to enter on that level, you would put your stops tight above the wick and aim for this, and you have a 4.5 risk to reward, so good as well. I'll be keeping an eye on XRP actually, so let me mark it out, because you could trade this into both directions, so why not? 1 second. Yeah, BTC seems to be moving down a bit more. Yeah, getting a gnarly candle to the downside. We'll see how this hourly candle closes in 21 minutes. Because this is a bit of a support zone, previous one. So maybe something like this. If we close below this would be additional confirmation towards the downside. So yeah, I also wanted to check out this, like how the volume is doing. Yeah, volume is dying off. If you look at my streams from like 2 days ago, this thing would be in the billions, these would be in the hundreds of millions, and yeah, these are in the tens of millions most likely, maybe even hundreds. But now the volume is dying off so much that we don't have any significant volume in the even in the 1 hour time frame. So I personally think, now that I'm looking at the whole picture, I think this right here is normal volume. Like, this is something you would expect. You don't have high conviction on anything. People are buying and selling a bit, like it's still active, but the thing, the situation where you see a lot of volume coming in is the one when Binance was pushing the price up. And as that is not happening, there are no sellers. There is no sell side, so you get low volume. And that is something to keep an eye on. So if we see volume increasing, let's do a volume profile right here. Something like this, from the downside to the upside, and flip it around, because this doesn't make much sense right now. Yeah, you can see the climax of the volume is actually right here, so additional confirmation for a short if we close below there. But yeah, you can see incredible amounts of volume here. This is when Binance was buying it up, so it was fast, and then you get a lot of sellers and even more buyers. That is when you see billions and billions in these values, at least. So yeah, let's look at how the liquidity is going, where we have a lot of orders. I don't see any huge sell walls. Yeah, these are not as relevant as the closer ones. 51.3 has a lot of 51.4. Let's take a look at that. 51.3 and 51.4. So we could expect the price to react from here, probably in the shorter time frames, like in the 15 minutes, like from this area, which makes sense. Right here, this should be 51.4, something like this, and this should be 51.3. So yeah, this area is something to look for if you want a long Bitcoin. Yeah, this whole thing has a lot of orders, so maybe we do a shorter time frame trade right here. Like place our stop below here and aim for 52k again. We'll see how the price reacts from here. Right now, as we're dropping. Went down to 51.401. Yeah, you can see how you can use these to your advantage. Like if you're trading the lower time frames, you could long from there, or TP. Like if my trade on BTC wasn't 25x, if it was 100x, I'd probably TP right here. but we'll see. Let's give it 2 minutes just to see how the price reacts from this level. If it goes below, it gets even more bearish. Yeah, 51.3 has all the orders. Let's see. Yeah, look at how easily it gets bought up from that area. A lot of bull liquidations. Yeah, but look at the buys. 51.4, 51.4. A lot of buying coming in. We may turn around here, but you can see the volume picking up now. Yeah, 600 million is significant volume. And if you see that amount of volume, that means the move is confirmed by the volume. 15-minute chart, 516, 386. Like that is a volume supported move. So look into that when you're trading. By the way, this site is called AGGR trade, and this one is Okie Dokie, if you guys are wondering. So I almost always use these when I'm trading, because I don't want to be long if like a 30 minute time frame has 100 million or something. I want to be shorting when it's 300 plus. Yeah, we seem to be closing above it, but the fact that we closed below this zone is not the best. But there is still 15 minutes for the higher time frame thing, so keep an eye on that. Oh yeah, there is also a coin that I wanted to take a look at from the Telegram. Deep South AI. Let me just pull it up on the second screen first. Why can't I find it? Just open Telegram and look at it on the PC. Deep South AI. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's on CoinGecko. Okay, makes sense. I tried to look it up on CoinMarketCap. Deep South AI. Let's take a look. Market cap. I think it was around 5 million, right? Yeah, 5 million market cap, which is still a good market cap. Volume is not bad on it. Trading volume. Total supply is amazing. Like, why does it have only 1 million coins? If you know about this coin, why does it only have like 1 million coins of supply? Is there anything else that's interesting? Uniswap, okay. Honestly, might even buy this coin. Yeah, looks like a genuinely good coin, and especially since it's AI, and I'm extremely bullish on AI. Like, I don't think you could buy enough AI coins, to be honest. So I might get it actually. Yeah, this is useless. But yeah, Deep South seems nice actually. So I'll probably buy it. And yeah, as soon as we close the 15-minute candle, we start going up. And now you would look for a reaction in this zone and maybe short it from there. I'm not playing it right now. because I want to see the hourly candle close in 12 minutes. But it seems pretty indecisive. Like, this long wick seems more bullish than bearish, to be honest. Like you see, usually before you get downside price action, you see a big wick right here, and the same goes with the upside price action, like big wick right here, big wick right here, and we are making one right now. So it would make sense for us to actually move to the upside now, at least on a shorter time frame. So keep an eye on that. What could I take a look at? Let's go to the watch list. See if there are any interesting coins. Let's see. Yeah, but by the way, if you guys didn't hear from the beginning, I'm looking to long Solana as soon as it reclaims this level right here. Let me just turn off Telegram because I don't want to have notifications popping up. Yeah, from this area I'm looking to long Solana, make this a TP1, TP2 at 120, and maybe leave a bag to 125. INJ, why is it not? Oh, it's here. INJ as well. As soon as it reclaims this level, I'm probably gonna long it because I think alts have real upside soon. OP as well. I want a long OP. Oh yeah, this is the wrong chart. This is the chart that I wanted. I want a long OP if it shows some strength here. Like if it manages to reclaim probably these. Maybe this right here. I'll look to long here. Maybe even close the full position here. Play it like a scalp. Okay, Casper. I think this was an altcoin, right? Oh yeah, it's Cas. I don't know why I did the full name. Wasn't this an altcoin from the last bull market? No, I'm tripping. It's from 2023. Oh, 2022. Okay, makes sense. It's a bit of an older coin. But the fact that it's looking as bullish as it is now, I think it has some upside left in the long term. I just want to see if there's an older chart. No. Gate.io maybe has an older chart. No. But yeah, I don't know much about this coin. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But it doesn't look too bad, at least on the weekly. Like denying is the quick TA. Denying off of this area right here is not the best, as you can easily go back to the beginning of the move, and that would be like a 30% move, which is a lot. But yeah, it could break all-time highs soon. Yeah, I'm going to follow the price action in the next few days. If it goes above the all-time highs, it's bullish long term. If it goes below here, maybe loses this level. If it loses this level, I think it could be bearish, at least in the shorter time frame. Let me just take a look at this one. Oh yeah, there's nothing to look at. Yeah, this is a new coin. Let's go to the MACD chart because it's usually older. Yeah, this is a new coin. This was the one that got airdropped, as far as I remember, right? But yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say about this. Let me just go to CoinMarketCap, check it out. Oh wait, my bad. I fucked it up. Okay. Yeah, this one. I mean, the fact that it's already the 64th place, I don't like this. 1 billion in supply already, priced so high, already a billion in the market cap. Just a few days after launching is not the best thing if you want to invest now. So even if this one goes to like $10-15, like I don't know where to expect this, because it's so new. The fact that it's so new means you cannot really do any TA. If it goes to like 1.5 billion market cap, that is probably going to be overpriced. Like 70% up is crazy in a month. I mean in a few days. I don't know when it was launched. It's less than a month. So this was airdropped to people, right? For using I can't remember it actually. I don't know. How was this airdropped? Like, let me just pull it up on the other one. Yeah, Dimension was airdropped to people, so I don't know. If you got this as an airdrop, I would probably sell right here and not risk losing it. So yeah. Let's see where we are. What's going on with TradingView today? Sidus GameFi coins didn't pump them. I mean, let me see. Oh, it's spelled like this. This one? I mean, I haven't heard of it. But yeah, it went up like crazy already. Yeah, it went up like crazy in the past few days, like end of the year. I don't know why I said the past few days, the past few months. But it looks like it wants all-time highs, which is only a 30% move to the upside, so why not? Let me check it right here. And it's low in the market cap area, so 60 million is nothing. Yeah, 60 million is actually so low. And you can buy it on most exchanges. Like, the only thing I'm not a fan of is the fact. No, actually, yeah, it's a new coin. Never mind. I thought this one was an old coin, but yeah, it's pumped like crazy in November. Yeah, the retrace of 50%. Like, if you bought here, you would be in great profit. So I don't know if I'm looking to buy it right here. But maybe if we pull back, like if the whole markets pull back, I might even buy this one. Sidus. I don't know how I haven't heard of it. Let me just check what is it about. Yeah, just basically a game, nothing else. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's take a look at BTC. Closing in 3 minutes. And it's in the zone, in the interest zone again. Let's see where we are. And why is BitMEX so much above? Like, it's trading $100 in a premium, so I don't know why that's happening, to be honest. Looks like it's just lagging. Yeah, 51.3 is probably the biggest area to look for longs. And we are getting right into it. Just look at the price react off of that. Yeah, still. I don't know if the market makers want to give people longs from there, but we'll see. If I was longing from there, I would aim for this level right here. Yeah, the orders right here are still staying there, and getting closer and closer. I mean, we are waiting 2 minutes. Let me actually, I'll be back in 30 seconds. I just want to grab popcorn. Okay, I'm back. Got my popcorn. By the way, this is not a joke. I actually had popcorn. I just remembered. But yeah, the price is moving. Yeah, it didn't give the people what they wanted. It didn't fill these orders. The 51.3. But it might fill them now, as we close the wick. It's the hourly wick as well, in the interest zone. Let's see. Let's follow this as well. This doesn't make sense, to be honest. Like this whole thing. I think it's just lagging. Still not filling the orders. 51,314 is the level. But it's not going below. Yeah. They just waited for the early close. Give lower now. Or pump it, whatever. 317. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, I want to check this chart out. On BitMEX. Where do I check it? Why do I not see it? Oh no, is it XBT? Yeah. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, it's closed. I forgot about that. I don't know how I forgot about that, but yeah, closed right here. By the way, guys, if you have any requests, feel free to tell me, and I'll take a look at the coins. Yeah, moving up now. But as I said, I would have longed it. Like, I'm not longing since I'm on stream, but I would have longed it from the probably this right here, like 350, just in the middle, and I would aim from for this level. Stops would be right below this line, like right below where we closed on the hourly. So playing it safe. Let's take a look at ETH. Yeah, ETH is doing basically the same thing, just on a bigger scale. Dropping a bit more. Solana could be a good long from here, maybe, if it reclaims now. And from here. So these are the levels to look for on Solana. Like, you could play it any way around. Like, denying from this, you short it. Accept this, you long it. Accept this, you long it. Deny from here, you short it. Like, you can play every single thing from level to level. Of course, we are in the middle of nowhere, like in no man's land, so I'm not going to do anything. Losing this level means I shorted lower. We might as well do that right now. go. Solana. Like, I'm basically gambling right here, but I don't care. 50x leverage. Because it's such a small time frame move. And it's basically insignificant on a bigger time frame. So and yeah, I didn't mention, if you long this, put a stop right below here, and for this. If you short it, if you short this, and for this, yeah, this is not a good risk to reward trade, but you could place a stop right here, maybe, and still make it a good trade, so that is something we're looking for. Yeah, now that I'm seeing on the lower time frame, stop would be right there. Yeah, 1.6 is not the best risk to reward, but still. Something I might start doing actually is waiting for the daily closes on Shein, because that's when the price is most entertaining probably. Come on, do something. Like, just move. Personally, I'm looking for this scenario the most right now. I wanna long it. But a short will do as well. Let's see what people on Twitter are saying. Yeah, Nick seems to want to long Solana as well. Let me just put this. Oh, my bad. With this right here. Nick also wants to long Solana, but I think he's looking to get in here, which is a bit too much waiting for me at least. on a swing long, yeah, we seem to be in the 9 from this. Might even short it. Let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, we'll see how this one closes. Yeah, but how are you guys doing? Like, have you been trading the past few days? Going long, going short? What are you guys doing? Have you been playing around with shitcoins, by the way? Oh, actually, did I? I don't see it. We'll just act like nothing happened. Cody shorted 116 on Solana, which is a great short, to be honest. Yeah, I agree with you. we are actually really due for a retracement. Like, it doesn't make sense to be up for so long. But you know what they say, markets can stay insane longer than you can stay solvent. So I don't know. I mean, the best thing right now is to have coins in spot and just play trades level to level. Like just how we did here. Like we played, this is the chart where I have all of my levels, all of the significant levels. And I played it from 42k to 43.8. From 43.8 I didn't long, I missed out on a bit of a move. But as soon as we left this zone, like this red zone, I instantly longed and went up to 47.2. That is where I closed my long and waited for some confirmation for more upside. So yeah, playing it level by level is probably the smartest thing that you can do. If you want to short it to here. If you want to long it to here. Like, swing plays are probably not the best idea in the past few days at least. If we get back to this level, I'm shorting it, by the way. Shorting Solana. I might as well get rid of these, but why the fuck is it lagging? How long have we been streaming for? 1 hour and 10 minutes, yeah, not too bad. Come on, move. At least a bit. I don't want to be watching the chart the whole day. Jeff Bezos sells another $2 billion worth of Amazon stock, with a total of 6 billion Amazon shares sold over the last week. Let's see how Amazon is doing. Why this is happening. I mean, if we are being honest, this is probably the place to sell. Since the start of the year, it's been going up for 115%. So yeah, makes sense to sell it here, to be honest. But I don't know why he's been selling it for the past week. Yeah, selling it at 5% from the top. Who gives a fuck? Oh, yeah, it's going up. If we don't manage to flip this in the next 20 seconds, I'm shorting. But I'm shorting with such small size because I'm just playing around. By the way, I'm shorting right now. Like, why not? Stops are right above here. They might run it up a bit, maybe to this level. And if it reclaims this level, I'm just going to flip long, because it wouldn't be a big loss. Let's just see how this goes. I could switch the music up a bit. But I don't know what to play. But yeah, something I wanted to take a look at is total. Like, this is a good thing to chart out on a higher time frame. Oh yeah, I don't know why I didn't remember earlier to check this one out. But yeah, total is relatively bullish actually. Like, being above the 0.786 is extremely bullish, at least in the macro view. Like, we could go and revisit this one, the 0.75, and as well as this wick. But overall, this is extremely bullish. And if we do a fib from the top of the tops, from here to here, and remove this one, we are just above the 0.5. So yeah, not too shabby, honestly. If we have both of them up. Yeah, we are basically above everything that is significant. Like, there's nothing left that is a significant level until we reach like $2.1 trillion. So bullish as fuck. Yeah, checking back on this one. I'm probably going to flip long. Nah, still waiting. But yeah, let me actually. I'll just cut my short here. And long here. And just fuck off. Total is looking good as fuck, to be honest. I didn't even look at this chart for months even, I don't know. So yeah, this is a 15% move, which is a lot, to be honest. 15% is a lot. But it's like 200 billion. And if Bitcoin actually moves to 55k, but does it slowly, alts will follow. And I genuinely think the whole crypto market cap goes to over $2 trillion. So I actually really like this. Let me tweet this out. This chart is more bullish than I think it ever was. Like the fact that we are above that. And as soon as we fall below that, it starts to get concerning, but up until then, it's great. Look at Solana again. Slightly in profit at the moment. And I just want this level claimed. Let me see. Let me put a stop loss. Net make profit. TP 114.7. 70%, 74% trade. and a stop at 111.7. Yeah, which is a 60% loss. But I'll probably keep it tighter than that as soon as I see us losing these. Let me take a look at my Solana shitcoin, which has not been doing the best in the past few days. Nothing too big on Solana. But yeah, this fucking shitcoin has been getting absolutely blasted by everyone. Like the people who got in early and got their NFT drops have been constantly selling. It has been going down ever since. Like I bought it around 0.15 is my entry, somewhere around here. Got this whole move up, cashed out at around 84 cents, which is here. I didn't get out quite at the top at $1.2. And I've been buying on every drop. Like I bought here, I bought a bit here, and I don't think I can deploy more capital here, so might be a good buying spot here if you want to buy, if you want to gamble with shitcoins on Solana, might be a good spot to buy. So, but if it manages to drop from this level, it's not looking good. Like it might even go back to my entry, which I won't like, because my average entry has been going up, and it's like probably around here actually right now. So yeah, TA on shitcoins. But yeah, something to keep an eye on. Not too much volume. Let's actually reset this, because it's been going on for some time. Not a ton of buying. No big buys coming in, at least. We could place this to be slower and get more buys in, but it's not something I like doing. Yeah, I like keeping it like this. And what we could also do is turn on the volume. Yeah. I don't know if you guys hear it. Yeah, you should be able to hear it. Perfect for gambling. Let me just take a look at Solana. Solana's going up. Nice to see. Not a ton of big buys coming in. By the way, I love these EMAs. If you go to the 4 hour, the bigger the time frame, the better. But if you go to the 4 hour time frame, that is when they become the most relevant. And if you want to go play a swing short, you would look for these levels, like 44, 49k. This is the 200 EMA. It's a slow moving one. It's the one that sets the trend. But yeah, these are a bit of a shorter time frame. This is the 30 EMA, like the 30 EMA depending on the candle, and this is the 7 EMA. But yeah, we are currently trading under the 7 4-hour EMA, so not the best side to see. And if we go to the daily, we are still above it. So yeah, this would be the target for my short on BTC, which aligns with 1 second, with these levels, like 48.553, and we have 48.742. Like, it doesn't matter, could be close to it, but yeah, not a ton of volume coming in. It takes so long to load up. What is this? This also has sound. Huh. Oh yeah, this is the sound from this one, which I don't like. It's a bit too loud. Yeah, this was the bottom on BTC. As I said, guys, long in from here, in from this, in for this level, or this level. Yeah, this level. This is where I would TP. Maybe we turn around from there. Didn't quite tag it. I wouldn't have gotten filled if I was long. But yeah, look at how we're reacting at first from the levels. So interesting to see nonetheless. Still no volume coming in, even though there are a lot of buys coming in. But yeah, close to TPing that, but didn't quite get it. So I'm almost back to entry. I might just fuck off and close the long in slight profit. Yeah. If you guys have any ideas for a video I could do tomorrow, feel free to tell me, because I want to do a video tomorrow. Because I don't think I'll be able to live stream unless it's a short live stream, but I might as well do it in a video form, because why not? So yeah, if you guys got any ideas, feel free to tell me. SZ is wait a second, a lot of buys coming in. Let's check it out. 3.6 million buy, not bad. 1.6 million as well. Maybe they start T-wapping it above. I don't know how I can show it to you guys. Maybe I can do it like this. I'm just going for the whole desktop, maybe. Nope, that is not it. But anyways, SZ is promoting fork. The shitcoin on ETH. Wait a second. Let me pull it up. line in the message. Oh yeah, Floki fork. This one. 75% up. What? Let me see my wallet. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, my wallet is up as well. 24% up. But Solana, I need my Solana wallet to be up. Yeah, Ghost is fucking dead. They fucked it up so hard. I'm closing my long from before in this one. I don't like the fact that we fell below below the range, so I close it right now. Yes, Solana. I don't know if I want to be bothered. Like, I can be annoyed with trading this. I'll keep my long on BTC open. By the way, this whole short, it stops at break even right now. And I'm aiming to get 48.6, 48.55, probably 0.6. This would be a TP1, this would be a TP2, this would be a TP3. I don't know if we get it, to be honest. I'm not sure about it, but yeah. At least give me a TP1, so I would be happy with that. And I might honestly, like, by the way, this is not a TP1, I don't know why I said it is. This is a TP1, this is a TP2. No point in TPing in the middle of this move. But I will add onto my position if we manage to lose this whole level. Because the market structure changes completely if we do lose it, so yeah. A lot of buying coming in? Yeah. By the way, I'm tweeting something at this Z. Yeah, I don't know what is going on, because a lot of buying pressure is coming in, but the price is not moving accordingly. Going up above this level would probably mean we revisit these highs, these right here, so look for that. Bear starting to get liquidated, which is nice to see. As I said, look at how we are moving. As soon as we went above this line, I'm going to 3 minute. But this is not loading because it's a 3 minute chart. Okay. Might even do a scalp short. I don't know. I don't know. I'll probably stream for a few more minutes because it's been an hour and a half already. There's not much to look at. Thank you, Captain. You've been in a long time, or not? Because I don't see your messages, at least not here. So I don't know when you came in. Oh, look at the sell pressure. Wow. But still nothing too big, volume-wise. So yeah. Oh fuck, my chain is up. Out of the shirt. Yeah, not too much to see. Not too much to see. 51.630 is a big level. Not much below that. A lot of selling pressure coming in actually. Okay, let's put this down a bit. Yeah, they're suppressing the price for some reason. They don't want it above this level. So I think, let's see how the daily is looking. Yeah, we might close the daily red actually. The daily open is at 51,795. So I think they want to close it below that, because if we closed above that, probably means we are bullish short term. So I mean, the daily has an hour and a half left. So we'll see how the price reacts. I'll probably update you guys in the Telegram. But for now, looks like they want to close the thread. I'm thinking about tending it here, to be honest. Let's see how Solana's doing. Yeah, still struggling with this level. I don't know, I couldn't be annoyed with trading it, so sticking to intraday trades and not scalps, at least in this market. So yeah, look for the 15-minute candle closes above this level, like above. I don't know if I can somehow see it, but above 51,760. Above that, we are close to a daily close, 795, to a daily open. Look for candle closes above that. Aim for 52k. Above 52k, I don't know. It's a no man's land, all the way up to 53.5. But I genuinely think we are nearing a top, so a retracement would be nice. And I don't know how the sentiment is. I know that the fear and greed index is like a 79 or something. Let's see if I even have the chart up. I don't. Yeah, the fear and greed is at 75 at the moment. So people are mostly overexposed right now, so yeah. I think we need a retracement. So that would be it. I think I'm wrapping it out here. Wrapping it up because not much more to talk about. Thank you guys for being here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in a new video. Probably. I'll think of something and I'll record because I want to be consistent. Since consistency is probably the best way to get pushed by the algo. So yeah, that would be it. See you guys. Thank you for joining. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So bye bye.